My dear students, good morning. This is Deepak Kumar, and today I shall be taking up the chapter The 100 Dresses, first part, that is written by L. Zor Easter. In the online classes, I have already explained the chapter. Today I shall be giving you some important question and answers from the chapter The 100 Dresses, part first. So let's start. Explain two dresses of Wanda Petronsky in brief. Each dress of Wanda was different from the other, as one of the dresses was in a brilliant jungle green color, while the other was red sash. Actually, each of them was beautiful enough to win the competition individually. Who won the drawing competition in each category? What had they drawn? Jack Bagels, who drew a motorboat, won in the boys category, and Wanda Petronsky, who drew 100 different dresses, won the girls medal in the drawing competition. Where does in the classroom Wanda sit and why? Answer. Wanda Petronsky used to sit on the cornermost benches, lost in her world, where rough boys usually sat. She was a very poor, shy and quiet girl and did not want to mess with others, so she preferred to sit in isolation. Question 4. Where does Wanda live? What kind of a place do you think it is? Answer. Wanda lives upon Boggins Heights, where poor people live. It is not a developed area and is covered with mud. There are no proper roads or streets, and it is a kind of slum. Question number 5. What do you think to have fun with her means? Answer. To have fun with her means to laugh at her, as it is human tendency to make fun of others' imperfection, which are mostly about the appearance. Here in the story, Wanda is a source of amusement or pleasure because of her shy nature and her 100 dresses. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? Answer. Wanda didn't come to school on Monday and Tuesday, but nobody noticed her absence as she did not have friends in the class. When Peggy and Maddie waited for Wanda to make fun of her after the school was off, they noticed that she was absent, otherwise nobody bothered about her there. Question 7. Describe the reaction of Wanda Petronsky to Peggy and Maddie. Answer. When Peggy and Maddie made fun of Wanda Petronsky, she did not speak to them and remained serious. As she had no American friend, she walked alone with dull eyes and hitched her shoulders in a funny way. 8. Why did Maddie write a note to Peggy and then tore it? Answer. Maddie wrote a note to Peggy to stop making fun of Wanda, but she tore it because she thought that it could annoy Peggy and she would make fun of her instead. 9. Why is Maddie embarrassed by the questions Peggy asks Wanda? Is she also like Wanda, or is she different? Answer. Maddie is embarrassed by the questions Peggy asks Wanda because she is also poor and understands the mental condition of Wanda. She also wears dresses handed down by rich family. Though she is an American, yet she has the same mindset as Wanda and doesn't want anyone to tease Wanda because of her dress or her name. Question 10. Why didn't Maddie ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda? What was she afraid of? Answer. Maddie didn't ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda because Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was a nice girl, but when it came to Wanda, she behaved differently. Otherwise, she helped everyone in trouble. Though she wants Peggy to stop teasing Wanda, she didn't ask her to do so as she was afraid of being the next target of such taunts and teasings. Question 11. Who won the drawing contest? What had the winner drawn? Answer. Among the boys, Jack Bagels, and among the girls, Wanda Petronsky won the drawing contest. To show her determination, she did not attend the school for 2 days and had drawn 100 sketches of dresses of different colors. Each of them was capable to win the contest individually. Wanda had drawn all the dresses which she had claimed to have had in the class. Everybody was greatly impressed with her drawing skill and clapped for her. Question 12. Who did Maddie think would win the drawing contest? Why? Answer. Maddie always believed that Peggy would win the drawing contest as she was good at drawing and everybody in the school loved her. She had a good image and impression on her teachers and classmates. No other girl in the class could draw so well as she. So, Peggy definitely had very good chances of winning the drawing contest according to Maddie. Question 13. What does Miss Mason think of Wanda's drawings? What do the children think of them? How do you know? Answer. Miss Mason is greatly impressed with Wanda's drawings. She considers them as really beautiful and worthy of winning individually. The children are also so impressed by the drawing skills of Wanda that they all applaud and whistle when she wins among the girls. Question 14. Why does Maddie stand by and does not do anything? How is she different from Peggy? Or was Peggy's friendship important to Maddie? Why? Which lines in the text tell you of this? Answer. Peggy is the most popular girl in the class and Maddie is her closest friend. Though Maddie is poor, Peggy never teases her as she does with Wanda. So Maddie is afraid of losing her friendship. That's why she does not risk to annoy Peggy and prefers to be silent. The line Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room, Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, illustrates this. Question 15. How does Wanda feel about the dresses game? Why does she say that she had 100 dresses? Answer. Wanda feels greatly embarrassed but remains silent in the class. She doesn't talk to anyone instead. She sits on the back bench with rough boys so that nobody can give attention to her. She is deeply hurt but never complains about it. To avoid the taunts and humiliation, Wanda says that she has 100 dresses and 60 pairs of matching shoes in her closet. Later on, she draws all of them on paper for the drawing competition. My dear students, now let me discuss some long answer type questions. Number 1. Pen down the character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky is a Polish girl who has shifted in America from Poland with her parents. She is very poor and lives up on Bogins Heights. She is very shy and quiet. She does not talk to anyone. She has no friends and sits in the last row of the class with some naughty boys so that nobody may notice her. She wears the same faded blue dress every day, which is not ironed but clean. Everybody teases her in her class in anger. She claims of having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes at home. She is very determined and shows her determination in the drawing competition by displaying the 100 sketches of dresses that she claims to own. Each of them is so beautiful that she wins the competition and surpasses Peggy. Question number 2. In what way was Wanda different from the other children? Answer. Wanda Petronsky was a Polish girl whose parents had settled down in America. She was a source of fun because of her last name, which made her different from others. The Americans did not have such names and it was difficult to pronounce them. So she came to school alone and her feet were covered with mud. She preferred to sit alone in the in the class. She had only one blue dress which was faded, but she claimed of having 100 dresses. These qualities make her different from other children. Question 3. The 100 dresses first is about teasing Wanda. It also borders on raging and racism indirectly. Describe how does it affect you and how do you evaluate it? Answer. The story The 100 Dresses First is really all about teasing of Wanda being Polish and having a strange name. They made fun of Wanda and made her feel inferior by asking her about her dresses. Their behavior towards Wanda was completely undesirable as it shows racism and ragging. Right? My dear students, it also borders on ragging and racism indirectly. I pronounced the word incorrectly, that is ragging. Okay, they made fun of Wanda and made her feel inferior by asking her about her dresses. Their behavior towards Wanda was completely undesirable as it shows racism and ragging. These are totally condemnable issues in the society which cannot be accepted. Peggy and Maddie never thought of Wanda's feelings and continued teasing her, but her selection as a winner shows that color, prejudice, or racism are not the parameter of talent, as everybody clapped for her drawings. Question 4. It disturbs you that Peggy and Maddie make fun of Wanda. You don't like it. You decide to speak about this as weak, ugly, or poor. Write a speech to express your thoughts. Answer. Dear friends, today I would like to express my thoughts about the issue of making fun of the students who are weak, ugly, or poor by those who are a bit superior to them in these aspects. But I would like to bring your attention that the person's being ugly or poor is not a personal choice or fault. God creates us with different qualities, and we should see those qualities in others too. One may be poor or physically repulsive, but he or she may have better qualities or skill than us. As in the story, Wanda Petronsky is better than Peggy and Maddie in her creativity or drawing. I hope we all give respect to one another and do not judge anyone on the basis of their monetary status or physical complexion. Let us all be encouraging human beings, helping and uplifting other human beings. My dear students, I request all of you to listen to this content carefully, and in case if you have any problem with doubt, you can talk to me, you can ask me, you can share your doubts with me. In my next audio, I shall be talking about the second part of the chapter, The 100 Dresses. Thank you very much for listening to the content.